hello Linda. Fancy you catching me out here in the garage.
And what are you up to?
Well, I'm going to change the engine air filter in the car. It's quite an easy job actually on this car. That's the holder for it back there. And I watched a few YouTubes about how to do it. It seems to be quite easy, and I got the part quite simply on Lazada. Now the thing about this car, it's a very common car in Thailand, so you can easily get parts for it. And one thing on the video, it shows to remove the cover, but I'm not sure whether we really need to do that somehow. But if you decide to, there's a nut here that you've got to remove. Now you can use a screwdriver, but generally with things like that, they're on really tight and you won't get the screwdriver to take it off. So you've got to use a spanner, and this has to be removed, the oil dipstick, and then you should be able to get access with a 10mm spanner here just to loosen it off a little bit. Yeah, 10mm. Because there is a hole there. I have tried the screwdriver, but it's just too tight. So really, what you really need is a socket, and that's what I'm probably going to have to get. I don't have any sockets at home, but we'll try again. But I think this is going to require a socket set to do the job, because it's on just so tight, and it's hard to get a purchase on it. But yeah, we'll try again, and I think that's what we're going to have to do. So anyway, we'll come back when we've got a socket set. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it comes out. It's really easy. You just take that screw out that I showed you before, and then this just lifts up. There's kind of some rubber plugs here that just fit into slots here. It's really easy. And unclip this, unclip that there. I'll show you some shots of it when it's gone back together, and just like that it goes in. You unclip that, and this hose goes onto here, so just take that off. It's very easy. There's no screws or clips on that one, and there you have it. And the air filter itself is just in there. So this one that's in here is an original Suzuki one. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, but certainly no problem to change it. So it just goes in like that, and we'll leave him there. And I'll get the other one out of the packet here. That's it, and that's the brand I got here. It's a made in Thailand one. It's not an original part, it's a compatible part. And just goes in the same way, just like that. There you go. That's all you've got to do.
Compare the two.
Yeah, so they're pretty well identical. This one's got the Suzuki brand name on it, with this one's like a generic, but it looks identical, just as good. Probably comes from the same factory, who knows? But that's all there is to it. That's all there is to it, and then you just put it back like this. We'll put that down. What I did, actually, I remembered I got my electric drill, and it has a longer drill bit extension. Okay, so that's that, and then you can see from that side there, that's where these plugs go into. They're just kind of alignment holes. So just do your best to put it back in there. Jiggle a few things around if necessary. There we go. You'll have better eyesight than me, so it'll work better. There you go. just make sure they're down properly. There we go. And now I'll just get my drill. Here's the bolt that come out. So it's just obviously the reverse of this process to take it off. And just start it off by hand so you don't cross that thread it accidentally. Alright, so there you go. I've got my drill there, and there's a drill bit extension. That's all you need. There you don't have to do it super tight. And then just wriggle this back on.
Where's Cleo? Oh, Dexy.
Do the clips there. What's going on here? Oh, that's right. There's a it's kind of a clip underneath it too, stud or something to hold it. There and there, a little bit of fiddling around there, but we got there in the end. That looks fine, I think. No, it's not right. So there it is. There's two clips underneath too. You just got to make sure they're connected up, and then we just put this back. That just slips on there like that. You can see the two pins there. They just go in there. It's mate in there, and that's it. All done.
Well done.
Yeah, easy. So you can do that.
How much did that save you at the Suzuki dealer?
Oh, probably 500 baht, I'd say. Yeah, I'd say so. That'd be a guess. Yeah, they'd probably charge 750 baht easy just to do that job.
Yeah, very good.
Now, some might argue that that kind of price, which is a bargain compared to what we would pay at a Suzuki dealer in Australia, it's just not worth the hassle. But I like to do what I can myself. And I know some of you are like that too, so there you go. This little job can be done yourself, no problem.